Having your period can be a lot, and many uterus owners choose to use tampons as their product of choice. But you may be wondering, can you pee with a tampon in? I'm Dr. Rena Malik, board-certified urologist and sexual health expert and medical advisor with FemHealth, and we're going to answer the question, can you pee with a tampon in? First off, let's start with an anatomy lesson. The bladder is like a balloon, and it's an organ that sits in your pelvis and holds urine. The urethra is the tube that connects your bladder to the outside world and allows you to pee. Your uterus sits behind the bladder and has a cervix at the bottom, which enters into the vagina. Blood during menstruation is the lining of the uterus shedding, and hence tampons are placed in through the vagina to absorb blood, and the tampons have a small string that sticks out so you can easily remove it. Make sure you check out our previous video on how to insert a tampon by Dr. Erica Montez. Bottom line is yes, you can absolutely pee with a tampon in because the tampon isn't blocking the urethra or flow of urine from the bladder. Yes, it can get the string of the tampon wet, which can be annoying, but it's not going to cause any problems. And while you may want to change your tampon when it gets wet, you don't need to. You can't get a UTI or infection from getting urine on the string. Also, if it really bothers you, you just hold the string to the side when you urinate so it doesn't get splashed. If you suffer from pelvic organ prolapse or a hernia or bulge of the vaginal wall, typically on the anterior side of the vagina, the tampon can make it a little bit more difficult to empty the bladder, but not usually a major problem. Overall, using tampons is a safe and effective way to manage menstruation. You can absolutely pee with a tampon in, but if you feel like removing it before urinating, that's okay too. Be sure to change your tampons every 4 to 8 hours, or if it begins to feel uncomfortable. If you want to keep learning evidence-based health information, be sure to hit the subscribe below. The doctors of FemHealth are here for you and your families.